Why you should care about Amazon. Amazon.com is as gigantic can be. It started with a man in his garage with a strong desire to change the way we buy our stuff. Now, Amazon is the undisputed leader of the online retail market, with many overseas enterprises copying their business model, making life easier for everyone in many ways. The first thing that people think about when they picture Amazon is shopping. You're more than likely to make a purchase on Amazon.com, seeing as how people can even buy foods and fresh produce there. It is like a giant global supermarket that has it all. Over 95 million people visit and buy stuff on Amazon on a monthly basis, which means that there is a lot of money exchanging hands in the Amazon marketplace. Have you ever wondered how much money Amazon merchants make per month? More importantly, should you care about how much money they make? Absolutely yes. Not only can you become an Amazon merchant, but you can also live the high life by doing so. It is a possibility, and we are going to teach you how. Right now, we want you to open your eyes and see why you should care about Amazon and why you should start making money with it. Awesome benefits. Amazon is a godsend for online vendors. Anyone with a passing interest in making money online should try Amazon, because basically any type of method for making money online can be exploited in the platform. Let's take a look at some of its most hyped benefits. It is the largest online marketplace. Amazon is an international marketplace where anyone with an internet connection can make a purchase. Hundreds of millions of customers navigate Amazon in search of all kinds of products and services, so there's no limit when it comes to whom you want to sell to. You can sell all types of goods, including electronics, beauty products, sporting goods, music, apps, games, books, foods, collectibles, and so on. Whatever it is, there is someone looking for it in the Amazon marketplace. It can take care of your inventory. Fulfillment by Amazon, most commonly known as FBA, is an inventory management service offered by Amazon to sellers. FBA is all about sending your inventory to Amazon's warehouses and having them take care of it. They will not only store it, they will also package and ship it to your customers. They will even take care of customer service for you. No listing fees. Go to any online marketplace and check their policies to see how long you have to read to find their listing fees. Amazon frees you up from this limitation by allowing you to list your products without paying a cent. You only pay when you sell your stuff. It is a digital-friendly environment. When you sell on Amazon, you have to pay attention to everything you can do in the marketplace because it is a pioneer when it comes to technology. For starters, Amazon has an entire platform dedicated to helping self-publishers get their work out there. Writers, musicians, and developers have had nothing short of success once they employ Amazon to launch their creations. It is not that Amazon allows you to simply upload a digital edition of your work of art to their marketplace, but it empowers you with tools to self-publish without the limitations and financial costs inherent to the publishing industry. It is innovative. The future is bright for Amazon and its merchants. The company is boldly introducing technology such as one-click buying, dash buttons, web services, and sci-fi-worthy stuff such as delivery by drones. Innovation like this can only bring in more customers, so that means more sales for you. It is helping people and communities. Every time you sell something on Amazon, you are inadvertently contributing to the improvement of communities and many people's lives. Amazon gives back to the world by dedicating a good portion of its revenue to nonprofit organizations, educational programs, environmental action, charities, and disaster relief efforts, to name a few. It can change your life for the better. Making money on Amazon is not a mere get-rich-quick online type of endeavor. It is a serious undertaking that will drastically improve your life if you put in the effort. Think of Amazon as the best business partner you can get. Shocking facts. Amazon.com started out as an online bookstore. Amazon, the name of the company, was primarily chosen to represent the vision of scale held by its founder, as the Amazon River is the largest river in the world. It was also because back in the 90s, websites were listed alphabetically. Amazon.com is one of the most valuable brands in the world, currently worth $250 billion. Amazon's net revenue hit $107 billion in sales in 2015. Amazon.com currently commands 10% of the e-commerce market in North America. If that does not sound like much, consider that another 10% is held by the rest of the big players, such as Walmart and Office Depot, with the remaining 80% alternating between the rest of the e-commerce retailers. Amazon.com is home to 310 million active user accounts worldwide. As of 2014, 37% of sales in the Amazon marketplace came from overseas markets. Amazon made $3 billion in one day during the 2015 Cyber Monday sale. To give you an idea of how large the distribution chain is that the company manages, it has been estimated that the combined size of all of Amazon's warehouses can hold as much water as 10,000 Olympic pools and some more. The Amazon.com logo is designed to symbolize a smile that goes from A to Z, showcasing the willingness of the company to deliver to anyone, anywhere in the world.